How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. So if you're watching this channel for the first time, this is a Honda and Acura based channel with some other brands mixed in there at times. But yeah, if you're an owner or potentially in the market for a Honda or Acura vehicle, this channel is great for DIY stuff, tips and tricks, recent recalls, common issues, etc. We do a Q&A every Monday, so that is something that you can look forward to, and you as the viewer get to input a question and I get to answer that for you in that next week's video. So I want to thank each and every one of my current subscribers, whether you're older or a newer subscriber. Without you guys, this channel would not be possible. So as some of you may or may not know, we did reach 6 million views just a couple weeks ago, and 20,000 subscribers just a couple days ago as well. So some of the things you guys may want to input for the channel. As you know, you guys make the channel, so without you guys, this channel would not be possible. I do like to take feedback from the viewers. So if you have any suggestions, as always, I'm always open-minded. Suggestions on new video ideas or how to make videos better, etc. So someone suggested a couple months back when I started doing the Q&As, you should have a timeline of the questions that will help people maybe not want to watch the whole video, but a specific subject. So I did implement that to each and every video and little stuff like that. So again, I'm open ears. If you guys want to make a suggestion, please do so either in the comment section, shoot me an email, or hit me up on Instagram. Whatever is best for you, I'm always open to that. If you want to contact me by email, it is bcautosolutions20@gmail.com, or Instagram, it's the same handle, at Honda Mobile Mechanic. That's the two easiest ways to reach me. Now, I may not respond right away, but eventually I do get to every email and DM on there. So recently I found out that most comments aren't making it onto the YouTube app. They're instead on the YouTube Studios app. So I'm trying to pick up on that and get to them as quickly as possible. There's like 400 comments, so it's a lot of work. And I'm trying to, again, make sure I get to each and every person, as well as in Q&A questions. Sometimes I may not make that in the very next video, but eventually it will be on a video. If I don't respond to it, just shoot me another comment and I'll try to get. Sometimes they do slip through the cracks. Like I said, I've had some issues with comments not populating on a YouTube app, but instead on the YouTube Studio app that I wasn't aware of. And there was like 300-400, whatever. It was a lot of them. So slowly and surely, I'm trying to answer 30 or 40 in one shot. But some of them are complex questions, and I'll get to them eventually once again. So I want to thank each and every one of you. It is a New Year's Eve when you see this video, so make sure you guys are staying safe out there. Have fun, have a prosperous New Year's, set some goals, and do your best to achieve those goals. I have personal goals as well as goals for the channel, so I'm gonna be ambitious, try to stay ambitious, try to hit those goals. If I don't, it's okay, as long as I gave it my all. That's all that one could ask for, right? Sometimes life just gets in the way, especially once you have some kids, and it gets complicated, with them being sick and just life in general. So again, I want to thank each and every one of you, open-minded to any suggestions, and I'll catch you guys in 2024.